MarineMax Nisswa, showing you our most popular model. It's a 2026 Premier 230 Sunsation, has the 28 PTX Mercury 200 V6 motor on here. Already has the Vantage pontoon guards installed on it, so it's ready to go, protect those tunes. And we have the Eclipse package, making the nice black end caps and graphics that Premier does with this package. Coming on board, this is our Nightfall interior with some new 2026 designs, like for instance this pop-up table. Makes it nice and easy to stay stowed, and you have these dog dishes or another storage drawer underneath. That's a very nice touch for Premier for this year. This is our rear facing layout, our most popular model. We haven't had this in stock in a few weeks, so it's nice to have one of these back here. Come see this boat today at MarineMax Nisswa.